आसा, and in memory of Father Bolmex, we have grown mangrove saplings all over the bank of River Zuari. आता we know that mangroves play a vital role in the ecosystem of the river as well as coastal area. It acts like a natural breakwater. 60%, 66% of the wave energy has been reduced by mangroves. It acts like it's a biodiversity hotspot, the spawning ground to a lot of marine species. तशेंच करून a full-grown mango tree absorbs pollutant, heavy metals, etc. So on this day, we appeal to the Forest and Environment Minister. We have seen that lot of areas has been declared as anti-Z, but as per the Tree Act, when you cut a tree, we have to grow 3 saplings. So this act is very outdated. Whether people grow 3 saplings or whether those saplings are even grown and what happens after that, we don't know. We have seen so many instances जे झाड हिंगा कातोरता and you बिहाराक रोयता. So there has to be an amendment when the tree is cut, the plants has to be grown in the same place. So this Tree Act 1984 so amend from 3 to at least 10 trees ropak, because we have seen climate change is so evident. I mean, there is a delay of rain, and the government has to take climate change, ocean temperature into a serious thing. So आम्ही मागता सरकाराक की जाता तितले amendment हाडचे, कित्याक we have seen lot of environmental laws have been amended for development, but for protection कांय जावं ना. सो आम्ही मागता गोंयचे सरकाराक, इंडियेचे सरकाराक की जाता तितले amendment हाडचे एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आणि फॉरेस्ट वाडोवपाक, मॅनग्रोव्स वाडोवपाक, स्पेशली द प्रोटेक्टेड स्पीसीज, दॅट इज मॅनग्रोव्स अँड अदर स्पीसीज.
आयज आमी एका कुत्ताळे आहा आनी हे प्रोपिग्यूल 2 वर्स पयलें आमचो लेट फादर बॉलमॅक्सान रोयिल्लें, आनी आमकां बरें दिसता की हें झाड इन द मेमरी ऑफ फादर बॉलमॅक्स, ताणें ताच्या खुद हातान रोयिल्लें तें आज इतलें व्हडलें जालां. आनी आज आमी साबार 300 ऑड आमी प्रोपोगल्स लायले. हे 2024 लायिल्ले, हे लायिल्ली 2025 दुसरी पडाची, आनी ती फाटल्या लायली ती लायन आमी 2026 लायल्या. हे कित्याक लायता आमी? दिस इज अ नॅचरल डिफेन्स फॉर द अगेन्स्ट सॅन्ड इरोजन, against tidal action. So I मागता सगळ्यांकडे next year whenever we are having this such event, सगळ्यांनी आमकां तेंको दिवचो आनी हात बोट लावन असली झाडां हिंगा रोयची.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.